Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I got the Cat Lady box for June, and they also sent me the Spoiled Cats Club as well. And Smudge is right here, and he's having him a bath. Isn't that lovely? Y'all, this was sent to me together in one package in a bag. Everything is here. I'm gonna let's start with the Spoiled Cats Club. The Spoiled Cats Club starts at $19.99 a month. So this is well, it's, you know, this glued bag. So let me get open, I'll be right back. He's still having a bath. All right, let's see what's in the Spoiled Cats Club. The Spoiled Cats Club is just for the cat, just for your cats. It has snacks and it has toys. And there is a card. Just get everything out of there. There's a card. And it's just, you know, it's packaged really nicely. You can just get that, or you could just get the Cat Lady box, or you can get both, which is what they sent me. So for June, it's all about Vibe, V-I-B-E, the perfect gift for yourself or a fellow cat lover. Limited time, it says 30% off, buy two, get one free. That might be like if you buy a 3-month subscription. Oh, I don't know. Oh, no, I'm sorry. It's for something. This is an advertisement for a company called All About Vibe. Look at that, y'all. How cute are those? Our pillows. It says, why cat moms are obsessed with our custom pillows, and it tells about that. Real reviews from real cat moms. And it's all about vibe.com if you are interested in that, okay? I thought it was going to be a card about the Spoiled Cats Club, but there is another card right here. So this says, deliver to spoiled cat immediately, not for humans, kicks and purrs. And it's this month's theme for June is Under the Sea. Please share pictures. And they tell you, you know, the hashtags. So let's see what we've got. We've got some nice treats. My cats like these treats. These treats are the pillow kind, where they have, you know, something like creamy inside. And this is the Love & Pets brand. This is a good brand because it's got a lot less junk in it than, you know, some of the store-bought kinds. These you can get at a pet store. Chewy, you know, that kind of place. This is tuna flavored, crunchy outside, soft inside, bursting with flavor, it says. Only 2 calories per treat. So, and this is a 3-ounce bag. And I think these run like about $5.99 or so a bag-ish. Well, it might, and it doesn't say on the card. I thought it might, but it does not. It just is showing the toys on the card. So we'll start with Princess Penelope. It says Mermaid Catnip Toy. Look how cute she is, y'all. She's a little yellow kitty, and this is a $5.99 value. She swam all the way from the 7 seas just to make waves in your living room. Oh, she's adorable. And their toys always have catnip in them, and that is part of the name in there anyway. She's adorable. She's got a little flower on her ear, and she's got her little mermaid tail on. How cute is that? I love it. Whoops. Uh-oh, dropping one. And then we have the delightful Daphne Dolphin Catnip Toy. Now, she's beautiful. She's a beautiful dolphin, and she has that same little daisy on her. Look how cute that is. Their toys are very well made. I've never had any of them break or open. You know, and when cats play with a toy a lot, it can do that. These are well crafted. She's adorable. $5.99 value for this one as well. And then we have Catnip Crawly Krabby Wand Toy, and that's in this bag. Let me open this up. Oh, this is big. Now, Smudge and Camille especially like the wand toys. We'll see how this is. You've got your wand, and then, you know, you'll untangle this, and then, you know, do this with the cats. And they really like that. This is a very nice, very well-made stuffed animal right here. And it's got crinkles in it. You like that, Smudge? Okay. This says Captain Crawly. Okay, love. Captain Crawly Krabby Wand Toy. I know, see, he likes these. All right, Smudge, we need to show everybody. It says, your cats are sure to keep this crabby little captain on its claws. This one is a $6.99 value. I hope you can see that. Smudge likes it. We know Smudge likes it. Hey, Smudge, okay. All right, and now we're gonna get, let me move this plasticky stuff out of the way. We'll get into the Cat Lady box itself. So this is what she looks like here. I did cut it open already. And inside is a card, which is great. And the card is always a beautiful, like a postcard. You can frame it. It's a nicely, it's, you know, nice, thick card. You can hang this up on your refrigerator. You can frame them. You can put them, you know, all over. They're beautiful. This is really cute. 3 black cats out at the pool. And this says, this June theme is Passport to Paradise. So there are 6 items in here. Let's calm it on down. Let's see what we got. First off, we have a visor. This is cute. This is a, you know, like black acid wash, is that what they call it? Black jeans. So it has an adjustable thing on the back. It's got the Cat Lady tag on it. So, you know, it goes like this. I'm not big on visors. I don't ever wear visors, but I do wear hats. But this is adjustable, which is nice. So here, you can, you know, make it bigger, make it smaller. And it says Cat Lady on it. So this is kickback in throwback style with with our perfectly cool visor, $16.99 value for the visor. That's very nice. And then we have a passport. My cat's world, I just live in it. This is very true. This is, let's open it up and see what's in there. What's in the passport? What's in there, Smudge? Oh my goodness, if I can get it open. There we go. It has this cute little tag. Isn't that cute? It's a cat paw. And then this is what's inside. Y'all, these are luggage tags. Cat Lady luggage tags. Travel in true Cat Lady style wherever your adventure takes you. $9.99 value. So these are pleather, and they have a nice buckle to them here. And there's a cat, so you'll know which is your luggage. And then in the back, there is a card inside with, you know, for your name and address and all that. But it's also kept this way, so it's hidden, so people won't just see it unless it gets lost. They can look and see. Can you see that? If you might could see that in there. So these are nice and big, which is great to put on your luggage, and you'll know exactly which ones are yours, especially if your luggage looks like other people's luggage. You know, like a lot of people have black luggage. I do see that when I travel. So this way you'll know this is yours. And next, okay, calm down. We have a toy. What is that? Some things I'm not sure what they are. We have this cute toy. Oh, is this adorable? Oh, y'all, my favorite thing is a seahorse. So this has the little wings here are real nice, thick, plasticky stuff that crunches a little bit. See how it's got the rainbow going, the opulence going on there. This is a $5.99 value toy. It's Sassy Seahorse. Whoops, I'm dropping it. And it does have catnip, of course. Your kitty's new undersea bestie with a whole lot of sass is in every swish. I cannot read today. So how cute is that, y'all? You got this cute, oh, it's so adorable. Smudge, would you stop cleaning yourself in front of everybody? I hope y'all can't see that. Okay, that is adorable. I love that. I love that. Next up is this. Oh, this is silicone. So, you know, it's flexible silicone. Oh, I saw the spoiler for this, y'all. Let me get this off of here. It's kitty cat ice cube molds. So I'll take this off and you can see it. This is a $12.99 value. So it looks like you're gonna fill water in here, and it says serve up meowgaritas or mocktails with the cutest kitty ice cubes around. This will make 4 giant ice cubes. So here's the base. So you put water in here, and then when you put this on, make sure you put it put it on where the head goes and not backwards, because you'll have upside down cats. And then you put this on, and it closes, and then you fill the rest with water, and it'll go up in, and can you see? It's going to be a kitty cat It's going to be a large ice cube when it makes. I'll have to try this. I think my sister will really like this, y'all. It's fun, and she likes stuff like that. So that is really cool. And it is, I don't know, this is silicone, you know, you can see that but this is also, but this is a harder construction. This is a softer construction. So that'll be a lot of fun. You know what would be fun would be to make these like with juice or a Kool-Aid flavor, and then put them in a drink like that, and then you'll have a pink bobbing kitty or a blue bobbing kitty in your drink. So that's so cute. I love that. And then next we have, oops, this is, you know, like they took the air out of this. See how that is? Isn't that cool? Let's open it and see. Oops, I had a scissor right here. When you open it, start to cut it, then it gets air to it. I saw the spoiler for this too. Ooh, this is a surfboard cat mat. Oh, this is adorable. It's a surfboard. It says, I need vitamin C, SEA. And it says Cat Lady down here. I need vitamin C in the shape of a surfboard. This side is that wonderful furry stuff, like Sherpa, like Sherpa. And then you hear all that crunchy in there. Now, I know we've had a couple of toys, like a potato chip bag, that they made this noise and they didn't like it. Camille was scared to death, but Smudge eventually liked it. So I think they'll like this. So this, you know, you put this down on the couch or on the floor, and they can sit on it. You can do it that way, or you can do it this way. I put some of these kinds of things that they send me, these nice mats, I put at the foot of my bed, you know, and then Camille will usually come up on that. That is so cute, y'all. I'm holding it upside down. So cute. So cute. And then last but not least, this bag has 4 things in it. I mean, 6 things in it. This was outside of the box in the bag. This is something, we always get something we can wear. And of course, you know, this is a wearable here, the visor. But this is a t-shirt, and I love the color. It reminds me of summer and the sea. Let's see what it says. I'll show it to you, and then I'll read what it says. Oh, that's so cute. It says, Salty Cat Beach Club. Lazy days, sunny days, cat naps. I love this shirt. This is a $24.99 value. So look at how cute is that, y'all. And that it has like that wharf blue. That's what, I don't know exactly what to call it, but that's what I'm calling it. The cats are all enjoying the beach club. How cute is that? So we got the t-shirt. Love it, love it, love it. We got the passport. Luggage tags, the visor, the Cat Lady visor, this really fun mat, surfboard mats. I need vitamin C, and the ice cube tray, which is really cool, and the seahorse. So this is a jam-packed box. So that is the Cat Lady box. And then earlier we got the Spoiled Cats Club, which were these 3 sea creatures and the snacks. Okay, Smudge, you can get in the box. Hang on, let me get that plastic out of there for you. So y'all take care, count your blessings. Thanks so much for coming by to see what we have in the box. And maybe Smudge is done having a bath, hopefully. He loves the box too. That's another thing about CatLadyBox. You always get a box. Hey, I got this t-shirt in the past. Love it, love it, love it. They love the box as well. So it's an additional gift. So thank you so much to CatLadyBox for sending this over to me to show y'all. And I hope you enjoy it. And I do have a link below if you'd like to join up with CatLadyBox. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.